Okay, for these mini twists, I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed, super clean. I have it in these 4 sections. I'm gonna take it out. Whoa, towel. I'm gonna take it out these clips and twists. First, I'm gonna use some leave-in cream. I'm just gonna put this, base my hair with this first, everywhere. All right, now that I have this leave-in put in, I'm gonna part my hair. I'm gonna go from ear all the way around to ear, and then probably part straight down the middle. Okay, so I like the part, and now I'm just gonna pin up the back. So, and I'm gonna wrap it a little bit so it doesn't dry out all the way. So I'm gonna just pin it just like that. Now I'm just gonna part in the middle to make sure I keep everything even. I'm gonna pin this side up, clip it away, and I'm gonna be working with this side first. I'm gonna start my twist. I'm gonna part here first. The next product I'm using is gonna be this curling cream from African Pride. Just a little bit. I'm gonna work it into my hair. All right, we got that in 2 sections. Okay, just in the front, I think I'm gonna use this on my edges just to make sure, because my hair is a little bit wet still. And when it's wet, it doesn't really grip like it should. So just right there. Then I'm gonna start it off with the braid, 3 pieces. Just gonna braid it down a few times. And then we're gonna take it to a twist. At the end, I'm gonna twirl it. And there you have it. That's one. I'm just gonna use a curling cream. Start it off with the braid again. Same process, but like a million times. And whenever you're ready, you can just start twisting. Change it into a twist. Hair's gotten a lot longer. Not a lot longer, but it's gotten longer, I can tell. And twirl the ends. I want these to be kind of juicy. I like to do my sides probably a little bit smaller than the rest of my head. Just because, sorry. Just because it's a little bit thinner on in this area. I'm not doing these as tiny as my mini braids, that's for sure. These I would like to keep in for about a month. Yeah, that sounds about good. But I just miss having like my own hair in a style, like braids or twists. It's just so convenient. This is just gonna repeat over and over throughout the rest of my head. I think I'm gonna redo this one. I didn't braid it down enough and it's poofy at the roots, so I'm gonna redo it. So I'm gonna continue this process throughout the rest of my hair. Basically braid down a few times and then twist all the way down to the end and then twirl the end. And I will see you guys when I get a little bit closer to the end. All right, I'm back. I'm done. It may or may not be 48 hours later, but here I am. Yeah, so here's how they're looking. This is like I was done 2 days ago. Yikes, but I'm here. It turned out nice. These are not stretched out at all. I'm leaving them, you know, in this state. I don't really want to stretch them. Yeah, I'm just happy that my hair is healthy. I was planning on clipping my ends in the twist. I might still do that, but I don't know. Not right now. But I'm actually in the middle of going somewhere. I have to go pick up some balloons. So I want to style my hair with you guys. I was just gonna put it in 2 buns. But yeah, it came out really good. The bounce is good. That's all I wanted. I just wanted it to be, you know, bouncy. But yeah, so I'm gonna style it. Did I show y'all the back? Let me show you the back first. So I'm gonna just style my hair now. I'm gonna spritz a little bit of water. Nothing too crazy. Let's see how I wanna do this. Let me see how this one is looking. So this side is a little bit thinner than this one. I was gonna leave them out, but I mean, they don't look the same. It's all right. I might do one like that. I'll put it up in a bun. On that last twist, I'm gonna bring the ends forward. There we go. And just kind of let it fan out like that. And let the little ones hang. And then for this side, same thing. I want to make sure they're even. And now I just want to do my edges. I'm gonna put this back for now. Are we gonna go in on the edges? Oh, sorry, I'm using the Wet Line Extreme Gel for my edges and my edge brush. I'll push everything back. Just to clean it up. Let me just do something simple today. I'm messing up. Just gonna do one like that. And for the other side, and give it a little brush up. even. And then for the back of my neck, just brush it up lightly. And that's it. And that's it. That's all. Super cute. And there you have it. I'm ready to go. I hope you guys like how my mini twists turned out. I love, love, love them. They're super cute. Bouncy. I may need to clip my ends, but it's okay. I'm gonna get to it. I'm probably gonna clip them while they're in the twist. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And like this video. That really helps my channel out so much. Yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bye.